Dear student, welcome to my whiteboard program. Today we have to learn class 10 mathematics subject chapter 9, that is some application of trigonometry, that is height and distance. This is very important chapter, as you know. For the exam point of view, it is the very important, and in future you will get it use or application in like your engineering sector, construction sector, etc. So all of you give attention and learn properly. Okay, let us come to know some basic point of trigonometry, this chapter. See here, I have given some points here which are very important to know this chapter, that is angle of elevation. What do you mean by angle of elevation? Angle of elevation means it depends upon the observer. So when observer, suppose when observer is, this is the horizontal line, here the observer is there, so somebody is looking, that is called the observer. Then if object is above the horizontal line, suppose here somewhere, this is the object, and the observer looks to this object from the horizon to the upside, then the angle created by this line and horizontal line is known as the angle of elevation. This line is known as the line of sight. This is called line of sight. Sight means to see. When this is the object, so object and eye, the line connection is known as the line of sight, which I have given here. Line of sight. This is the object. This is the object. This is the observer. So this is the horizontal line. That's why this angle is known as the theta. So this is called the theta or angle of elevation. Similarly, angle of depression. What do you mean by angle of depression? Just say, if angle of depression means like if suppose this is the horizontal line and there is somewhere the observer is looking downside, and now you see from here we will draw a horizontal line parallel to this line, horizontal line. So now from here to, suppose the object is here, suppose this is the object, downside object. Now from here to here the observer looks the object downside, so the line, this is known as the line of sight, line of sight. So this line of sight and the imaginary horizontal line, this is called the theta or angle of depression. So angle of depression is when the observer looks the object downside, then from the line of sight and to the imaginary horizontal line, which is parallel to the main horizontal line, imaginary horizontal line, this angle is known as the angle of depression. So the definition I have given you. This is just explanation of angle of elevation, angle of depression. Elevation when object upside, observer downside, and depression when observer upside and object is downside. That is called the depression. I think clear? Let us come chapter that is exercise 9.1. You see NBSE book page number 213. So look at the book. And go through the question. The question is, a circus artist is climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So here, that is the rope is 20 meter. Then look at the board I have just given here. So when we go to the question, after reading the question, we have to go for a figure, and the figure should be related to right angle triangle always. All these figure will relate with the right angle triangle. So according to question, in a circus, a rope is tied. This is the rope. Rope is tied or string. A rope is tied to a vertically pole. This is a vertically pole 90 degree. Vertically pole means 90 degree. This is the ground surface. So here a pole is dipped, and to the top of the pole a rope is tied to the ground, that is 20 meter. This rope is 20 meter. Then this is the pole and this is the ground, and the angle of elevation with the rope and the ground is 30 degree. The question is asking what is the height of the pole. So AB is here pole, AC is rope 20 meter, BC is the horizontal line, and theta means angle of elevation is 30 degree. So here I have given the written the givens. Now how to solve? Let us see. This is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC 90 degree here. So as it is 90 degree, this 90 degree front side always known as the hypotenuse. This is the 90 degree straight line is known as the perpendicular P, and this is known as the horizontal, that is base. So HPB is there, and I have given here this two, this one and this one. This table is very important for this chapter, because you have to take the value from this table, and this formula is there also. So here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta, sec theta, cot theta. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. According to that value it is given here. So sin theta formula is P by H, cos theta is B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B, cosec theta is equal to H by B, sec theta is equal to H by B, and cot theta is equal to B by P. So here we can get, and you have to memorize this one. Now let us come. In this triangle ABC, we have to take any trigonometric ratio from our given. Here given is what? Given is that is this one is given and theta is given, and this is asking. So we have to take these two lines for our consideration. By taking these two lines, we have to find out the formula. This is HP. We can take P by H or H by P. This one or this one. P by R, H by P. So if we take, and theta already given, then we can get either one. So that's why I have taken here AB, because we need to find out AB here, and AC is already given. These two lines we have to take. So AB by AC. AB by AC. This is P, this is H. P by H equal to sin theta. So we have to written sin theta. In place of theta it is 30 degree. Now AB by AC. AC is 20. I have put the value equal to sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree place I have put 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. AB into 2 is equal to 20 into 1, or simple AB you write here 1 by 2, 20 divided here. If it will go side chain, it will be multiplied. So 1 by 2 into 20. So AB is equal to 2 will be cut, and here it will be 10. So now AB is equal to 10 meter. So AB was asking us. So therefore the height of the pole is 10 meter. Question number 1 is over. Let us come to question number 2. So see the book, same book. Question number 2 said that a tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Let us come to the here. So here according to question, you see this is the, suppose I am giving here one demo. So this is the ground. One tree was there. Suppose due to wind the tree was suppose broken here. This is the tree. This is broken here. So now I have shown you by dot marking. This is the broken part. This is the unbroken part. So now what happens? This part which is broken, that is coming and touching to here, to the ground. To the ground it is touching. So this one is touching to here. So this is the broken part. This is the unbroken part. Due to storm, when it is broken, it is bending and touching to the ground. So this is the figure. So figure I have drawn here. Suppose this is the AB. AB, that is the unbroken part. This is the A dash, that is the broken part. and this A dash is equal to C, AC, because this broken part A dash coming and touching here, so it is AC is equal to A dash. So once we can get this one, we can get this one. So now it is asking, the theta is already given 30 degree. This one is 30 degree given. When the tree is broken, it is making one angle to the ground, so that is 30 degree. Now the distance, everything I have given here. AB height of the broken part. This is the AB is the height of the unbroken part. BC distance of the tip from the base. BC distance of the tip from the base. Theta is equal to 30 degree. A dash broken part. This part is broken part, and A dash B is known as the height of the tree, which we can find out this plus this, that is AB plus A dash. So we can find out that one. So let us see, when we will get this part we can get from here, if we can find out this part. So this part equal. So if we can find out this part, we can get this part, and then this part again we have to find out this part. So this plus this is equal to total height of the plant. So let us see. There is a right angle triangle ABC. ABC right angle triangle. AB by AC. AB by BC. This line by this line. This is called the P. This is called the P. Perpendicular base. P by B. So P by B is equal to tan theta. So now I have written here AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to tan theta is equal to 30 degree given. It is given already. AB by BC already given 8 meter. So 8 meter equal to tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So now AB, if we will multiply, AB is equal to, it will be multiplied here, 1 by root 3 into 8 equal to 8 by root 3, or as root 3 is coming downside, that is irrational number, we have to make it rationalizing denominator. So we can write 8 by root 3 in the form of 8 root 3 by 3, because we have to multiply root 3 here and root 3 here. So 8 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So we can put here, either value we can put. Again, we will write AB by AC again. AB by AC. This line by this line. This is P, this is H. P by H. P by H is equal to sin theta. So AB by AC is equal to sin 30 degree. AB is already we have find out AB. AB is equal to 8 by, I have put this value 8 by root 3 by AC equal to sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply, AC into 1 is equal to AC, and 2 into 8 is equal to 16 by root 3. Then again by rationalizing denominator, we can write 16 root 3 by 3. So now we have to find out as AC is equal to A dash, AC is equal to A dash, same part, because this is the broken part. So this side is equal to this side. So that value already we have got 16 root 3 by 3. Now we have to find out the height of the plant. The height of the plant is A dash B. So A dash B is equal to A dash plus AB. A dash plus AB. Let us come to here. Here. So from here to here, A dash B is equal to A dash A. A dash A already we have got here. That is called C. That is 16 root 3 by 3. 16 root 3 by 3 plus AB. AB we have got here 8 root 3 by 3. 8 root 3 by 3. So LCM will be 3. Now 16 root 3 plus 8 root 3. 16 root 3 plus 8 root 3 is equal to 24 root 3 by 3. So 3 it will cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja. So 8 root 3 meter. Finally. So therefore height of the tree, this is the height of the tree. Height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. I think clear? So similarly, we will come to the question number 5. Let us come to question number 5 in the book. Question number 5, next page. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. The question meaning is what? Question meaning is that question number 5. This is question number 5. Question meaning is that a kite was flying in the air thrown by the somebody on the from the ground was flying the kite on the air. So by a string, this is called the string or the what we call the manja or suti. So through the suti or manja, a boy was playing with the kite. The kite height was 60 meters from the ground. This is the ground, and a kite was flying here. From here, the perpendicular line if we draw, this is called the height. So height will be 60 meters already given. So this is 60 meters, and the angle of elevation from with the ground is 60 degree. That means theta is equal to 60 degree. Your height is equal to AB is equal to 60 meters. AB is equal to 60 meters. AC, this is the string. String means manja means suti. So that is we have to find out what is the length of the manja or suti. So then theta is equal to 60 degree. Then again we can say it is a right angle triangle at 90 degree at B. So in right angle triangle ABC, again we come AB by AC, AB given, AC we have to find out. So these two we have to direct take. AB by AC equal to AB means what? P, AC means H. P by H is equal to sine theta. So AB by AC is equal to sine 60 degree because here 60 degree. Now AB value is equal to 60. AB value is equal to 60 here. Then AC not given. AC equal to sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Now by cross multiplication, AC root 3 is equal to 2 into 60. Then AC is equal to 2 into 60, that is 120 by root 3. Then as it is what we call rational number, we have to rationalize it. So it will be 120 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Then 3 and 120 will be cut, that is 40 root 3. So AC means this one. This is called what? This is called the manja. This is called the string. This is called the suti of the kite. So this length of the string of the kite is, that is AC is 40 root 3 meter. Clear now? Very interesting question that is. Let us come to question number 10. Come to the book. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which 80 meters wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and distances of the point from the poles. This is one more different type of question. So see, I have given here figure. So I am just making one more figure for you here so that you can clearly understand it. There are two poles are same height. I have drawn two poles. This is one pole. This is one pole on the ground, on the road horizontal line. So two poles same height. Suppose this is edge for here A, B, and this is, suppose one point is there. Both are same. So it is asking from a point on the road. Suppose there is a point that is called the C. The angle of elevation to the tip of the pole. So this is the tip of the pole, and this is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation will be joined. This is the angle of elevation, and this pole, the angle of elevation will be here. This is the angle of elevation. So this is given how much? 30 degree. This is given 60 degree. Now the distance from this pole to this pole, that is road, this pole to this pole is 80 meter. 80 meter from here to here. So this is A, B, C, and this is D, and this is E. As per figure here given, this is 80 meter, C, A, B, 30 degree, 60 degree, E, D. So now I have written here, let AB is equal to ED. AB is equal to ED, that is height of the pole, equal to question mark we have to find out. Now C is the point. So distance of this point from the base of the pole, that is BC, we have to find out question mark. Again DC we have to find out question mark. So this is I have given. Now we have to come. There are two triangles. We can see right angle triangle. Pole means perpendicular or right angle to the surface. So this is right angle. This is also right angle. In this right angle we have to first solve. Then in this right angle we have to solve. Now we will come to the right angle triangle ABC. ABC in right angle triangle ABC. Here also you can see ABC. ABC. AB by BC. AB by BC, this is called a P, this is called a B. So P by B is equal to tan theta. P by B is equal to tan theta. So I have written tan 30 degree because this is 30 degree in this triangle. AB by BC is equal to tan 30 degree. Then AB by BC is equal to tan 30 degree value is equal to 1 by root 3 from table. Then cross multiply BC into 1 BC is equal to AB into root 3 is equal to